In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the front air suspension for the Dodge Ram 1500. The front air suspension. The air fitting safety warning sheet for installation. Brand brochure. Instructions manual. Airline safety warning sheet for installation. Decal. The following are the tools used for replacing the front air suspension. Large 15mm short socket. Large 23mm short socket. Large 18mm long socket. Large 21mm long socket. Large 24mm long socket. Large short extension bar. 12mm wrench. 15mm wrench. 21mm wrench. Trim panel. Large electric impact wrench. Large extendable ratcheting wrench. Large torque wrench. 17mm wrench. Use the ball joint separator as an auxiliary tool. A transmission jack is used to assist with installation. Now let's begin the front air suspension replacement. Before replacing, we need to lock the front air suspension. Enter the cab and turn the ignition on to the key 2 position. Enter self-test mode. The instrument cluster will light up fully. Tap apps on the center screen. Tap the right arrow. Enter settings. Tap the down arrow. Find suspension. Find tire jack mode and select it. Check the box to lock the front air suspension. After the ride height is locked, the top and bottom lights on the height adjustment switch will illuminate simultaneously. That confirms the system is locked. Turn the ignition off. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large extendable ratcheting wrench, loose the front wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, remove the front wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using the transmission jack, support the front suspension. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the outer tie rod end retaining nut. Remove the outer tie rod end. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the wheel speed sensor harness clips. Continue removing the wheel speed sensor harness, secured to the brake hose. Using the large 18mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the sway bar end link retaining nut. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large extendable ratcheting wrench, remove the upper control arm ball joint retaining nut. Remove the nut. Using the ball joint separator, separate the upper control arm from the knuckle. Use the 17mm wrench to rotate the ball joint separator screw. Remove the separator and separate the upper control arm from the knuckle. Using the 12mm wrench, remove the front air suspension airline retaining fitting. Release the air from the front air suspension. Remove the airline. Using the 15mm wrench, remove the 3 upper front air suspension retaining nuts. Using the 21mm wrench, large 24mm long socket, and large electric impact wrench, remove the front air suspension lower retaining bolt. Slowly lower the transmission jack to remove the bolt and front air suspension. Remove the bolt. Remove the front air suspension. Here's the comparison of old versus new front air suspension. Remove the retaining nuts from the new front air suspension. Align the mounting holes and install the new front air suspension. Install the lower retaining bolt and nut. Using the 21mm wrench, large 24mm long socket, and large electric impact wrench, tighten the front air suspension lower retaining bolt. Lift the front suspension. Install the front air suspension top mount retaining nuts. Using the large 15mm short socket with the large torque wrench, tighten the 3 front air suspension top mount retaining nuts. Torque specific 75 Newton meters, 55 foot-pounds. Remove the airline fitting. Install the old airline. Using the 12mm wrench to tighten it, connect the upper control arm to the knuckle. Install the upper control arm ball joint retaining nut. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large torque wrench, tighten the upper control arm ball joint retaining nut. Torque specific 102 Newton meters, 75 foot-pounds. Install the sway bar in-link retaining nut. Using the large 18mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the sway bar in-link retaining nut. Connect the outer tie rod end to the knuckle. Install the retaining nut. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the outer tie rod end retaining nut. Install the harness clips. Remove the transmission jack. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large torque wrench, torque the outer tie rod end retaining nut. Torque specific 106 Newton meters, 78 foot-pounds. Using the large 18mm long socket with the large torque wrench, torque the sway bar in-link retaining nut. Torque specific 80 Newton meters, 59 foot-pounds. Using the 21mm wrench, the large 24mm long socket, and large torque wrench, torque the front air suspension lower retaining bolt. Torque specific 136 Newton meters, 100 foot-pounds. Install the front wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, snug the front wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. After the front air suspension installation is complete, enter the cab and turn the ignition on. Find apps on the screen. Scroll right. Find settings. Find suspension. Find tire jack mode and unlock the system. Press the ride height up button to inflate the air strut. Check the installed airline fitting. If there is any leaks, if a leak is found, need to deal with it. If there is no leaks, installation is complete. After installation is complete, torque the front wheel lug nuts. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large torque wrench, torque the lug nuts. Torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.